All right, let's get started. And before I begin, I want to show you what kind of hardware I'm running this model locally on. So I really have like super old MacBook Pro 2019 with this 8-core Intel Core i9 processor, 2.3 GHz. I only have 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory here, and it runs on Sonoma 14.5. This is basically the hardware that we will be running on Llama locally today, and I will keep it here. And also to track the performance, let me leave this tab open here so we could see what's happening with the machine while we are installing and running Llama 3.1 locally. So I'm gonna install Llama first from Homebrew. If you don't have Homebrew on your machine, you can run an extra command that I will leave in the comments. I have a brew installed on this machine right now, so I will just start from updating my Homebrew. And right after that, we would need to install Llama. Okay, so Homebrew is up to date on my local machine here, and let's install Llama by using the command brew install Llama. Okay, the installation will take some time. Oh, actually, yeah, since to start Llama now. Okay, so by setting Homebrew no install cleanup. Oh, okay, so since I already had the Llama installed on this machine, and the installation didn't take that longer. And actually now we can go ahead and run it. So in order to run it, we would need the command Llama run llama 3. Let's go ahead and launch it. And here you go. Basically, you got Llama 3 deployed locally on your machine, and you can communicate with that from this from your terminal command line. You always have the access to the help tool. To access that, you would need to type the following command, and here you can see the available commands for you. You can set the session variables. You could show the model information. You can load the specific version of the model. You can save the model with the data that you feed back to it in a current session way. You can clear the current session context if you're not satisfied with that. You can exit Llama by using by command, and you always can access help by typing the same command that we just used. Let's look up the shortcut commands, because I think it's very interesting and might really speed up your experience working with locally deployed Llama. So as you can see, you got available keyboard shortcuts here. So you can move to the beginning of each line by using Home or Ctrl+A shortcut. You can move the same way to the end of the command line by using Ctrl+E. You can move back one word. You can move one word forward. You can delete the whole sentence after the cursor, or delete that before the cursor. And you would also delete the word before the cursor by using Ctrl+W shortcut. You can clear the entire screen by using Ctrl+L, and you can stop the model from responding by Ctrl+C. And Ctrl+D is essentially the same command as /by. All right, looks exciting. Okay, so let's try to use clear is a common comment that can be used. Yeah, it's very important to remember that when you're interacting with Llama locally, it's not your normal command line shell interface. You can just like use your shell commands against that because it's just not going to work, as you can see. Actually, it's a great example how we can just stop the model. Let's just try Control plus C. Okay, you see, very useful. Let's clear the screen by Control plus C, all right? And let's try to get something useful out of it. Well, a lot of times I need to write a shell script to do something locally on my machine. That would be super helpful to have this locally deployed Llama up and running in one window in my terminal, so I could always use it to draft the shell script or the script I need to run for my work, right? And let's try to be creative and ask it to write a shell script that would create 10 folders with the names 1 to 10 and place one empty JSON file in each of those folders. All right, let's see what's going to happen. All right, so as you can see, it works. Here's a simple shell script that will do what you asked for, right? So yeah, we can actually see, well, and from my experience, I think it looks good, right? For I and 1 to 10, they'll create a directory, the current number, create the empty data JSON file, and then it's done. And let me explain how it works. Oh, nice. So Llama is fine-tuned out of the box to explain the code line by line, which is super cool. All right, and actually we can use this code right away by just copy pasting that, right? Well, maybe we don't need the whole explanation here, so we can stop it by using Control plus C, super useful. Oh, sorry, yeah, Control plus C, Control S, Control C, yeah. And let's try to do something. Give me an ffmpeg command to flip the move video file vertically. All right, it's pretty fast, huh? Here's a ffmpeg command that will flip a video vertically. Okay, ffmpeg input that move horizontal flip, out flip move, and I can tell you this is gonna work. This is a valid command. Super exciting, huh? Yeah. All right, looks so good. I constantly forget that I cannot use my clear command here. What is the clear screen? Show clear session context, right? Clear. Now, yeah, now we don't have this in the context anymore. Looks fantastic to me. I've tried that for the common tasks like, drafting, summarizing content. It works pretty fast. For the multi-line input, you need to use this. You need to use like triple. Oh, actually, it says here that use this triple commas to begin a multi-line message. So when you're dealing with summarizing the content, you need to start it with this, and then this input will be will be processed as a multi-line input. So it's great for summarizing the content, like extracting the key takeaways, action items from your meeting notes and such. And yeah, this is fantastic. I'm super excited to have it on my machine. As you can see, it's not that memory consuming, and the machine looks pretty fine. I mean, it works pretty fine even when this locally deployed Llama is up and running on the machine, and this is fantastic. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Please share the creative ways you're using your large language models deployed locally. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me directly through this QR code here. It will take you to my personal website, to my LinkedIn page, where you can always send me a note. I will appreciate any feedback, and I will be glad to answer all the questions you might have. And thanks again, and I will see you next time.